In this video, we're configuring motion detection settings, setting up motion detection recording, and putting an end to wasted storage recording nothing. By the end of this video, your system will be smarter, saving storage by only recording when something actually happens. Let's begin. Start by logging into your recorder. From the main menu, go to Settings, AI Event, General Event, and then select Motion. Now select Motion Settings at the bottom. Here you'll find 3 ways to enable motion detection. First, you can enable each camera individually by selecting them one by one. Second, you can enable all cameras at once using the master control at the top of the screen. Third, right below the configuration settings under Motion section, you can simply toggle detection on or off for the selected camera. By default, the motion detection grid covers the entire camera view. If you only want to monitor a specific area, like a doorway or a valuable asset, simply click Clear and then click and drag to draw a new box over just the area you want to trigger an event. Next, adjust the sensitivity slider to your liking. A lower setting requires more pronounced movement to trigger, while a higher setting will detect more subtle motion. If your camera supports smart detection, you will see options to enable people and motor vehicle detection. This advanced feature allows the camera to distinguish between humans, cars, and general motion, significantly reducing false alarms from animals or falling leaves. Check your camera specification sheet to confirm smart motion detection support. When you are done, click Apply to save your motion detection settings. Next, click Recording at the top of the menu. Here you have several options. Under the Auto mode, you can select Motion Recording Only to save storage, or Continuous Recording with Motion Record to have a full backup while still flagging motion events. When you select either option, a pop-up window for encoding settings will appear. You can make changes to the resolution or frame rate here if you wish, then click OK. These settings will be active 24 hours a day. If you want a customized schedule instead of 24/7 recording, select Customization under the Mode drop-down. Next, click Schedule Management. Click Add to create a new schedule, and start by giving your schedule a descriptive name. Next, simply click and drag on the time bar to select the specific time frame for recording. The selected time will turn blue. To apply the same schedule to multiple days, click Copy to and select the desired days. This saves you from having to manually configure the same times for every single day. Once you're finished, click OK to save your custom schedule. Here you should see your custom schedule displayed. Click Close. Now we want to assign the custom schedule to the cameras. Do this under Motion Record Schedule. You can assign your custom schedule to all cameras at once using the Master drop-down. Or you can assign a different custom schedule to any individual camera by selecting it from the list. When you are finished assigning schedules, click Apply when done. To configure push notifications, click on AI Event at the top, then select Event Notification, and click Push. Check the box to enable and select a schedule for when you want to receive alerts and click Apply. Now head back to Motion under General Event. For each camera, ensure that the status under Push says On. If it does not, go ahead and enable it. Click Apply when you're done. You're all set. Your system will now record based on motion and send instant alerts directly to your phone. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our technical support team. We are always here to help.